Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial for adding your Pearson reading and math classes to your Google Classroom. Sorry about the resolution of the video. It's experimenting with some different screen capturing tools. So when you open your Chromebook, you'll be able to see your Google homepage. Just click on the Apps button in the corner there and then Google Classroom to start your Google Classroom. If this is your first time on Google Classroom, you may have to refresh the page to give you the option to create a class, but once you click on that plus sign, you should be given the option of creating a new class. So create class, you can name it whatever you'd like. If you have more than one class, you can add sections or subject areas. I'm just going to put random sections. It gives you options for different things there. Just hit create when you're done. It takes a few seconds to finish the creation. So here's your Google Classroom then. You can change your image if you'd like, but I'll give another tutorial on how to use Google Classroom in the coming weeks. The most important thing on this page right here is your class code. So your class is going to need this in order to log into their classroom. So I'm going to go to my dummy student account here, and I will show you what it looks like on their end. So I'm just copying the code here. I'm in my dummy account, and I'm going to join a class this time instead of creating. And once I use the class code, I click join, I will automatically be enrolled in our class. Again, it takes another couple of seconds. Your student doesn't have anything on his or her page right now, so let's go back to our teacher page. And now we can actually add assignments directly through Pearson Realize. So let's go over to Pearson Realize. Now, our class isn't on here yet. We'll need to create a new class, and we can just do a general creation class. But if we want to connect our Google classes, we click Connect Google Classes, and it will automatically show us what Google classes are able to be connected. In this case, Pearson Test Class, so we're going to click on that. And we are going to add whichever program or programs we want to add to this. So if I'm teaching math and reading, I could add both of them, or I could just add one, or I could add all of them if I really need to. Then we go connect class. It'll take a few seconds to connect, and then we are good to go. So let's finish and view classroom. And now we have our class here. So we can add assignments, we can see all the calendar, we can see what students are in a group. The student our dummy account was enrolled here. We can add assignments, so click assignments and explore programs, then you can add whatever assignments you'd like. Now all of the possible assignments are listed here, from math to literacy. Let's just add a math assignment. We'll just do our benchmark test. So you can see all of the content is here, including the teacher edition stuff. So make sure you're adding the correct ones to the students. So here's our placement test. We're going to click options and then assign. And now we can pick a start date. If you don't pick today's start date or a start date in the past, then it won't show up on the student's accounts. Just a quick thing to remember. Then we have to add our class. So we just type the first couple letters and we can add our class and assign it. And there we go. We are now assigned, and we can check our assignments right through Pearson Test Class. So we just click and we see our online placement test is there ready to go. It's always a good idea to check that it came through to your Google Classroom, so go ahead and click on your Google Classroom and you should see your work either in the stream if you refreshed or in your classwork. So there's our online placement test. I'm going to go to my dummy student account now and make sure it's on his. We just go to classwork again, or you can refresh the page and you should see, there it is in his stream, posted a new assignment. You can click right on that assignment, mark it as done back on the Google Classroom when he's finished, but that's all there is to it. So I hope this helped. Please make sure that you are logged into your correct Google account when you do this, but reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a great day.